Hello guys, thanks for watching this tutorial again. This tutorial is how to download Filmora or Wondershare Filmora 9. So here it is. You might wanna go to sublimepc.com or 137x unblocker CC if you want to download in torrents. Exit the map. Filmora. So as a team, you might want to fill this up and type Filmora and choose any of this version if you want in torrent. But I choose this because Steam PC is the secure one. Go to the download link and check the I'm not a robot and uncheck the download with add-ons. Download. If you finish the downloads, you have to install it. Yeah, okay, install it. Let me show this. Yes, no. When you finish installing, open file location. Make sure in the task manager, the where is it? Wondershare Studio is off, and task that motherfucker, and copy this, and you're finished. You can edit any video. Simplified. Video editing simplified. Yeah. Well, when I'm editing video, I use Sony Vegas. So yeah. On your project and import your video. Here, like that. You can have effects, anything you want. Just drag. But I do not like that part, so I'm not going to. Yeah, September. This. Background blue, black and white. So in transition, yeah, cut the split, go split. Wow. Then, so yeah, I'm going to stop and edit. Yeah, so thanks everybody for watching this tutorial how to download Filmora 9 Wondershare or Wondershare Filmora 9 in Steam in any links. So anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. If you have any question, ask me. So give me something that I have none. So thank you. So bye bye.